Hello! In this video, we will see how to use ChatGPT for dropshipping on Shopify. First, search chat.openai.com in your browser. Then, ask if it knows about dropshipping. Here we can see it has generated all the basic details related to dropshipping. Ask ChatGPT how you can start dropshipping. As you can see, it has generated a step-by-step complete process about dropshipping. Now let's ask if I have an online store on Shopify, which dropshipper has low prices and is based in the US. As you can see, it has provided me detailed information about different applications that deal in dropshipping. You can ask your queries too. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.